friends, how are we doing? I hope you're ready to do some phonics because that is our goal today. As you know, every letter makes at least one sound, right? So, for example, what sound does the letter B make? B. What sound does the letter F make? Great job. What about the letter L? Oh, how about W? Whoa, great job. So, you know that every letter makes a sound, except there are 5 letters that make 2 sounds. Who remembers what those letters are called? If you said vowels, kiss your brain. And if you remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And so real fast, I just want to hear your short sounds that these make, okay? Because remember, they make a short sound and a long sound. Right now, I just want to hear the short sounds they make. So together with me, let's say the short sounds. A, I, right? So those are our short sounds. Those are the sounds that we're going to hear pretty often come out of those, like apple, egg, igloo, octopus, umbrella. You hear those sounds in those words? So those are the short sounds. Today for phonics, we're not going to do CVC words where it's going to be C-A-T and it's going to use our short A sound and say cat. We're going to start looking at words that make long vowel sounds, okay? And so I've got quite a few over here. And in those, some are going to be 3 letters, some are going to be 4 letters. Some are going to have that tricky silent E at the end, that queen E. And so we're going to I'm going to show you how we sound those out, and we're going to kind of do those together, okay? So for our first word, I just want to remind you that all of these are going to have the long vowel sound. So we're not going to look at this, and if it's an A, we're not going to say ah. We're going to say A, because the long vowel for A is A. When we say our long vowels, it's our name, or it says the letter's name. And before I actually start, now that I've erased, I want to kind of go through and we're going to review those long sounds, because I forgot. We haven't done this in a while, have we? So what's the long sound for A? A. Long vowel sound for E? E. The long vowel sound for I? I. The long vowel sound for O is O. And the long vowel sound for U is U or oo, right? Okay, so keep those in mind, and I'll help you through this. I'm not expecting you to do this one on your own because we've never done this. Our first word goes back to right before we learned that these 2 letters together make one sound, right? So AY together says A, right? So you put them together to make the long A sound. Or you could just say this is the long A and the Y is silent. But the A and the YA together say A. So sound it out with me. Sound B. Sound A. Blend B. A. Word bay. Do you hear that? Okay. So sometimes a long vowel sound will be 2 letters together. Now maybe I have a word like this. Okay. What do we see down here? It's Queen E. Ooh, that's a horrible crown. That is my Queen E. Remember, Queen E is very bossy, and when letters are speaking, she wants the vowels to say their name. They need to announce who is speaking to her. Now, when they announce who's speaking to her, is she going to make a sound though? No, because she's a good listener. So she is a silent E. So we're not going to say a sound when we see E at the end of a word in a vowel here. So we're going to pretend she's not there. But you got to remember, she's making the vowel say its name. So let's do it this way. Sound, O. Sound, A. Blend, lay. Sound, T. Blend, late. Now remember, she's silent. So the word is late. Do you see how I did that? All right, so all of our words that I'm going to give you are going to end in AY for A, or they're going to have a Queen E at the end to make them say their name, okay? Remember, Queen E, she is a great listener. So she is silent when the vowel speaks. All right, are you ready? let's start with all right. So the first thing I notice is the end is a queen E, so that means she is silent, and she wants the vowel to say its name, right? Because she's a good listener, so she wants to know who's talking, and she's going to listen while they're talking. She's not going to talk over them. So sound, k, sound, A, blend, K, sound, V, blend, K, V, word, K. Great job. Right, there's another one. No, who's at the end? So is she going to talk? Nope, she is silent. And what does she want this friend to do? Say their name. Here we go. Sound, D. Sound, A. Blend, day. Sound, T. Blend, date. Word, date. Great job. Let's do one more with that queen E, okay? And this one I want you to do on your own, and then I'll come back and practice with you, okay? All right. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. All right, if you said sail, great job. Let's do it together now. Sound, S, sound, A, blend, say, sound, ol, blend, sail, word, sail. Great job. All right, let's real quick do some AY words. Okay, so we already did this one, but I want to do it again so that you can see it. Remember, AY together says A. Good job. Everybody say it with me real quick. A-Y. A. Good job. All right, ready? Sound. B. Sound. A. Blend. B. A. Word. Bay. Sound. D. Sound. A. Blend. D. A. Word. Day. Good job. Sound. Sound. A. Blend. A. Word. May. Great job. All right, I want you to do this next one. Oops. Here we go. Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Say. Great job. Go ahead and sound it out with me. Sound. S. Sound. A. Blend. S. A. Word. Say. Great job. That was a really quick phonics lesson, but you did fabulous, I'm sure. I hope you were able to write some of these words. If you weren't, that's okay. I just hope that you said them with me. Have a great weekend, my friends.